sweaty. What in the world? It is hot out this mug. Okay. Oh, that's what? That is gorgeous. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the CHIC Beauty Box. This is for the month of July. So, if you want to see what is in here, do I think it's worth it? Is this kind of getting better than like BOXYCHARM? If you want to see what is in this box, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already cut this puppy open because when I got it, it had like a smell in it. And I opened it up, I thought something was leaked. But no, it is not. And it doesn't smell as bad. It still smells very plasticky or something. Alrighty, so let me show you. So these are the two things that came out. So there was something that didn't fit inside the box. So that's what she looks like. This is CHIC Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34 a month. I do have a discount code, JustAnn, that saves you 10% off your box. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. And let's open her up. So that's what she looks like. And there is a card in here with the prices. Let's see. So there is a little sneak peek, not too much. I like to tease you a little bit. All right, so let's see what this big thing is right here. So it looks like I got variation. Looks like I got variation 1, and the total value is $102.99 for in US dollars. So this is a Clarins ReRestor. What the hell? Restorative restaurant. Oh my god, you guys know I can't talk. Anyway, this is a lift serum mask from Clarins, and this retails for $25. I don't know about that. And you get one mask. When you open it up, you get one mask in here. It's just like a sheet mask, which I'll definitely use it. I do enjoy sheet masks. Little paper fell out of there. $25 though, but Clarins is an expensive brand. All right, so we have from Tarte. This is a Tarte Shadow Pot right there, and this is in the shade Fire Dancer. And how much is this puppy? $22. All right, so that's what she looks like. So there's a little piece of tape there that kind of like held it together. So there is a little stopper. And there we go. That is really, actually really pretty. It's really pretty. I love these things. My favorite are from CHIC. So there we go. Oh, that's what? That is gorgeous. Oh my god. The camera's not doing justice. It is like so shiny. Look at that. Like, look at my finger. That's how it looks on my hand. What? Let me get a wipe and wipe that off because I'll get that everywhere. That is gorgeous. I mean, right there, I'm excited. All right, so always put this back inside here. Okay, so we have that, $22. I mean, it's beautiful, but I don't know about $22, but that's why I like it in subscription boxes. All right, the next thing is from Tarte as well. This is a liner. And this is a what is this? Oh, a lipstick liner. Okay. And this is $24. It's a lipstick and liner. Good. I thought it was going to be like a liquid eyeliner, which I don't use. Okay. So here is the first shot side. Looks like the lipstick. What in the hell? That broke right off. What? Wow. Okay. It could be from because it's been so hot out, you know? All right. So, and it's very creamy. That's probably why it broke. Yeah, it's extremely creamy. All right. So there we go. Very nice. And then here is the liner. Right there. All right. Let's see. Not quite as creamy, the liner isn't. but it's still very pretty. Okay, so we got that. Two more things. So this is from Too Faced. This is the Peach Kiss matte lipstick. One more thing I forgot to tell you about this. You do get to pick items that you want in this box, which I think is great. Not every item, but a lot of the items. And this is $21. This is in the shade Disrobed. Ooh. Alright, that's what she looks like. And again, I always say I love these bullet lipsticks. It's a pretty shade. But, you know, it's like, why would I get two different lipsticks? I already got the lipstick liner. It's, you know. So this is more like of a peachy color. And I might have did that because you get to pick what you want. I don't know, but it's just weird to have two different as choices, like lipsticks, you know. I wish there was another choice, but I'm not complaining because I like Tarte and I also like Too Faced. All right, last but not least, I did get to pick this one out. Everybody would get a Milani eyeshadow palette, but there were different ones that you can pick from. And I picked this because of that peach color is so pretty. And actually, all of it will go. So then again, it's like, so you have an eyeshadow and you have another eyeshadow, you know? But like I said, I did pick it, but there wasn't a whole lot of different choices that you can get. All right, this is what, when you open it up, it has like a little brush. And that's what she looks like. I'm probably blinding you, but there are the colors. So I'm just going to swatch just a couple. Oh, that peach one is really, really pretty. So here are a few. And they're good. Milani has good shadows. There is just a couple. I will do like a highlighty color. I wouldn't wear it. It's not blingy enough for me, but I mean, it's all right. I can wet it and make it work. All right, so let's recap what you would get in the July-August box. So we have a Milani eyeshadow palette. We have a Too Faced Peach Kiss lipstick, which is really, really pretty. It's a shade right here. I'll definitely use that. We have the Tarte lipstick and liner. We have the Tarte paint pot thingy that's, I mean, very pretty. I'll definitely use this. This is what I'm most excited for. And then I have the Clarins sheet mask. So that's everything that we got for $34. Like I said, so you pay $34 and you get $102.99. So about $103 of value. So you definitely get your $34 worth. But let me know down below, what do you think? This is a newer subscription. So the fact that I think that they have like name brands and stuff, and even though Milani is drugstore, Milani is a really good brand. And to get a Clarins sheet mask, I really like it, and I definitely think it's worth the value, but let me know what you think. Do you think that it's worth it? Do you not? I love the fact that it's bi-monthly too, because we get so many subscription boxes. It's nice to get something bi-monthly. But so far, every box that I got, I really, really enjoyed. But like I said, I want to know what you think. Do you think it's worth the price? And what do you think of it? And that is everything. Don't forget, I do have that discount code JUSTANN to save you 10% off in case you want to go a cheaper route and want to try it. And that's everything, guys. If you enjoyed this video, this unboxing, then please give me a like. It really does help me out. It only takes a second, and it helps. The more likes I get, it helps YouTube put it in the algorithm. If you enjoy unboxings, subscription boxes, reviews, hauls, mystery boxes, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification button and make sure you double tap it and that it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I do have a big giveaway coming next week, so make sure that you do put that bell on and make sure that you subscribe. And that is everything, guys. I think that's it. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Dang, that eyeshadow is gorgeous. Holy cow.